A grab means that they want to control you. Someone grabs you, they do not fear you. They can control you. If they punch me, they can still hit and move away, hit, move away. There's still a little bit of in and out. But if someone grabs you, they don't fear you. They wouldn't be. They're trying to control you. They feel that they're bigger, stronger, that kind of thing. You find in Kempo, there's that rising heel kick, which is very popular in anyone that does Kempo. Just step in with the left foot for me real quick. So what you're trying to do is trace up the leg. You're not bending the knee. It's not like you shirogiri or kicking or anything. You're just going to keep that leg straight. You're going to ride right up that leg and just come right up. You're not going to miss. You're just going to swing up. Now, the technique is generally taught against a kick. They throw a kick, you parry the kick off, and you ride up to hit to the groin. That's one of the kind of fundamental teachings of self-defense, right? But let's look at, most people are throwing high kicks and throwing it into your chest and all that kind of stuff. So let's look at this a different way. If he grabs, and see the stance, whatever leg this is, basically it's the same to same. Right, so once he grabs, what I want to do is I want to ride my leg, I'm going to turn away, cover, and I'm going to ride this up. And then you can step in with whatever you need that gives you the opportunity. Something hard to something soft is always going to be in your benefit. So if we're here, he grabs, and I'm stepping, I would step here, and then that's what gets you the shot coming in. Make sure you counter grab, don't grab again, counter to hit, and then ride that again. Basically what we're trying to do is feel the body and go with the contour of the body. I want my leg to slide up, so I'm staying in contact, and I want my arm to slide over, so I can stay in contact and I can manipulate. So grab, 1, 2. So while you're doing this, I want you to think about now, when there are 3 different ways most people attack when they don't have a weapon. They push, which is generally intimidation, because if they're going to kick my ass, like I said, they do it. They punch, meaning they just want to kick your ass, and then they grab. When someone does something to you and they're trying to control you, how do you look at the principles of what I'm doing and apply that in a different realm to someone trying to control?